Guys, how you doing? I know a lot of customers has been asking if we ship big items. Of course we ship big items. We ship big boxes. You see this? It's huge box. Bring it here to deliver to our customer. Sandy, say hi to my friend them for me now, please. Sandy looking for a ID. Just give them a wave for me, but them know say you're a real customer. Yes, Sandy, you have a big old box here, so it nearly broke my back. But we have it and we're delivering it. Alright guys, so if you have the big items there, yes, you can send them, it's not a problem. There's a link somewhere here. Click on the link, join us today, so we can ship your items for you. Little, big, small, large, we will ship it. Alright? Enough respect.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Alright, so we are here at Cornet Road doing a drop off. Beautiful box here for mommy post Mother's Day gift.
Yes.
We're happy for her. So how you doing?
I'm okay.
Awesome. So how you hear about us?
My son.
He was the one that did it.
Yes.
Nice. So would you recommend us to anybody?
Yes, I am going to do that.
Awesome. Now make a lift up the box so I go follow you on the inside. That's okay?
Yes.
Alright, thank you so much for shipping with us.